Ah, what happened? Okay, look at mine. Ready? Okay. Oh. Almost. Look at mine. Oh, I missed.
Let's do it again.
Yeah. Biggie. Look, ready for mine? I'm gonna shoot your head if you sit there, stand there.
Don't do that there. Don't shoot me.
Yeah, okay. Ah, got it. Don't you think that's too close? Sorry, Nell, you know what the problem is? You need to push it harder.
Don't call me big. You call me Biggie Buck.
Sorry, Nell, big.
No, sorry, now.
Sorry, knee?
Yep.
Wow. But that's too close. Can I have a bullet?
I'm gonna make this on the block.
You see daddy's right here? Ah. Mine was in the white. Okay.
Mine was in the black. So I get it.
Okay, good. Now you're too close, Biggie. Go far away.
No. Hey. Yay!
Okay. Good job. Here's another one.
Whoa.
Too close, Biggie. Come on.
Okay. Hey.
Nice.
Yay!
Okay, there are two more on the table here.